What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Caesar's Lab. So this is the second part of the video series for the robotic arm project. In the previous video, I've shown you guys how to design the base of the robotic arm. Okay, so I designed the shoulder joint of the robotic arm. In this video, I will proceed to design the arms, the elbow joint and the wrist joint of the robotic arm. I will also be explaining the electronics that will be involved in designing this project. Tune in. Okay, so on your screen, you should see the rough plan of how I'm planning to carry out this project. So I separated the robotic arm into three major parts, which is the base, the arms, and then the end effector, which is the gripper. Okay, so I'm planning to use two different servo motors, which is the 20 kg servo motor, and then the smaller ones, which are 9 grams. Okay, so the 20 kg servo motors will be used to control the heavy joints, which is the base rotation, the shoulder rotation, and maybe the elbow. And then the rest will be controlled using the 9 gram servo motors, the micro servo motors. Okay, so the electronics involved here are your Arduino board, which I have here. Okay, so this will be the brains of the project. So it will be controlling everything. It will be receiving signals and then processing them and then sending out signals to the end effectors, which are the servos, to control the servo motors. Okay, and then we'll have an OLED display. This will be showing us real-time information about the robotic arm. And then we'll have the batteries. I'll use 2 of these. These are rated at 3.2 volts, so I'll use 2 of these. Or if this doesn't work, I'll just use a separate power supply. Okay, and then we'll have a servo motor driver, which I've ordered with DIY Electronics. It should be here soon, along with 3 other micro servo motors. And then what else? The buck converter to control the power supply. Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's get started. So this is where we left off from last week, and please note that for now this is just a basic design. In the next video I will be detailing the design with more specific dimensions, etc. So now I want to design the shoulder joint. It will be attached on the rotating base. So designing this shoulder joint, I did not have any specific dimensions as yet. So yeah, like I said, this is an iterative design, so I'll see what works and make changes accordingly. So I want to center my sketch So I'll make sure the midpoint of the sketch is in line with the origin. The origin is where the Cartesian plane starts, the red Cartesian plane. So when my sketch is ready, I will then move on to extrude it. Take the servo motor from the base and then put it next to the joint. From there I will see how to size the shoulder joint. Now I'm going to move on to designing the arms. So this arm is from the shoulder joint to the elbow joint, and then I'm gonna create some wiggle room, just so when the joints when the arm is moving, the joints don't collide. Okay, so this part of the robotic arm is the part from the elbow down to the wrist. So two servo motors will be used on this one to control the elbow, and then I'll make a compartment for the wrist. In the next video, I will be focusing on the details on the SolidWorks design. I will be including fixtures for the servo motors, making sure that everything is fitted correctly, making sure that no parts are colliding. They are all good for 3D printing, and everything will be housed properly. So see you in the next video.